Hello everyone, welcome to House Decor. Today in this video, I'm going to show you some rustic farmhouse decorating ideas. Let's take a look. Rustic farmhouse decor is an interior design style that combines the warmth of rustic elements with the charm of traditional farmhouse aesthetics. It emphasizes natural materials, vintage-inspired beaches, and a cozy, lived-in feel. Here are some quick tips to help you achieve the rustic farmhouse decor look in your home. Use a neutral color palette. Stick to soft, warm, and neutral shades like whites, creams, beige, gray, and soft pastels. Add depth to natural wood tones and black iron accents. Incorporate natural and reclaimed materials. Use wood, stone, and metal for furniture and decor. Look for distressed or reclaimed wood furniture for an authentic rustic touch. Add vintage and antique accents. Use vintage-inspired signs, messengers, old clocks, and weathered furniture. Shop at flower markets, thrift stores, or unique shops for unique finds. Mix textures for a cozy feel. Layer different fabrics like linen, barlin, wool, and cotton for warmth. Use silk-knit blanket, oven rugs, and ruffled cushions. Choose rustic and functional furniture. Offer farmhouse-style furniture like distressed wood tables, open shelving, and slip-cover sofas. Consider a farmhouse dining table with mismatched chairs for an authentic touch. Decorate with greenery and florals. Use fresh or dried flowers, eucalyptus, cotton stems, or potted plants. Place greenery in plastic containers like galvanized buckets, wooden crates, or ceramic vases. Embrace open and airy spaces. Keep spaces uncluttered and bright with open shelving and large windows. Use shade curtains or light filtering wraps to enhance natural light. Mix old and new. Blend vintage beaches with modern ornaments for a balanced look. Use open shelving. Replace upper kitchen cabinets with open wood shelves to display dishes. farmhouse decor. Use brackets with an antique or industrial finishes. Incorporate old iron and metal accents. Choose black iron curtain rods, white features, and cabinet hardware for contrast. Use galvanized metal trays, buckets, and vases for elastic touch. Choose farmhouse-inspired art and signs. Hang wooden signs with rustic quotes like "Gather, Home Sweet Home" or "Farm Fresh." Design a cozy farmhouse kitchen. Add a large farmhouse sink, apron furnishing for an authentic touch. Use wooden cutting boards, ceramic canisters, and open shelving for a lived-in feel. Use lanterns and candles. Incorporate plastic lanterns on tables, shelves, or porches. Place candles in messengers or wooden holders for a cozy ambience. Add a rustic fireplace mantle. If you have a fireplace, install a reclaimed wood mantle. Decorate it with seasonal farmhouse decor, vintage books, and greenery. Go for chutney and weathered wood benches. Off-road chutney wooden coffee tables, thick floating shelves, and distressed beams. Weathered finishes give furniture an aged farmhouse appeal. Create a farmhouse entryway. Use a wooden bench, sheet-lap walls, and open baskets for storage. Hang a coat rack or vintage hooks for a functional and stylish look. Add gingham, plaid, or floral fabrics. Use gingham or plaid table turners, curtains, and throw pillows for a classic farmhouse vibe. Mix and soft floral patterns for chutney style charm. Style a farmhouse bathroom. Use a rustic wood from mirror and black hardware for an industrial touch. Add a vintage style vanity with a stone or farmhouse sink. Store towels in wicker baskets or wooden crates. There are rugs for depth. Place a jute or natural fiber rug under a patterned rug for a cozy farmhouse look. Use vintage-inspired area rugs in muted, earthy tones. were repurposed and dye beaches. Convert an old leather into a blanket rack. Use wooden crates as storage or shelving. Turn mason chairs into lightweight chairs or soap dispensers. Farmhouse-inspired furniture. Consider a sleep comfort sofa for a soft, comfortable feel.